National anthems, echoes of sports and culture. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of sports culture and traditions of English-speaking countries. One major aspect that captures the essence of any nation's pride and unity is its national anthem. It's not just a song, it's an expression of identity, history, and hope. Let's explore the role and significance of national anthems in the world of sports. A national anthem is a patriotic song that represents a country's history, traditions, and the spirit of its people. Played during official events, ceremonies, and particularly at the beginning of international sports matches, it's a moment where everyone from that country stands tall, often placing their hand over their heart, and feels a sense of belonging. Imagine this: two teams, ready to compete, standing in an arena full of roaring fans. Before the game starts, there's a pause, a silence, and then, the anthem plays. In sports, the national anthem sets the stage. It's a moment of unity and respect. For the athletes, it's a reminder of the larger community they represent. For the spectators, it's a shared expression of hope and pride. Often, when teams from English-speaking countries compete on a global stage, you'll see players singing along, emotional and determined, carrying the weight of their nation's hopes. While there are numerous English-speaking countries, let's highlight a few. United States, the Star-Spangled Banner, tells the story of a flag that survived a fierce battle, symbolizing resilience and freedom. United Kingdom, God Save the Queen, or King, depending on the reigning monarch, is a song of respect and loyalty to the crown. Australia, Advance Australia Fair, celebrates the country's natural beauty and the spirit of progress. Canada, O Canada, is a declaration of love for the nation, its landscapes, and its history. Remember, each anthem, while sung in English, has its unique story and sentiment, reflecting the rich tapestry of each nation's history and values. When a national anthem is played, especially in sports events, there are some general etiquettes to follow. 1. Stand still. Whether you're an athlete or a spectator, it's customary to stand as a sign of respect. 2. Remain silent. Even if you don't know the words or it's not your anthem, it's polite to be quiet. 3. Caps off. If wearing a hat, it's traditional, especially in English-speaking countries, to remove it during the anthem. The intertwining of sports and national anthems in English-speaking countries is a tradition steeped in pride, history, and unity. The next time you hear an anthem, be it at a sports event or elsewhere, take a moment to reflect on its deeper meaning. Thank you for joining us in this journey of understanding. We hope this insight into the world of sports culture and national anthems has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.